PostOwl AI is the latest buzz in the world of AI software. And today, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new tool. If you're thinking about giving PostOwl a try, or just curious if it's worth your time, stick around because I'll be diving deep into the features and functionality that could make or break your decision to use it. First, let's talk about what PostOwl does. This software is designed to streamline your digital marketing efforts by automating content creation, optimizing your social media posts, and even helping you craft high-performing ads. PostOwl is essentially a game changer for anyone looking to save time on content creation while making sure it's tailored to your target audience. But here's the catch. While it promises big things, how does it actually perform in real-life scenarios? One of the key features of PostOwl is its AI-driven content optimization. It doesn't just spit out generic posts or ads, it tailors them to fit your brand's tone and audience. This means you won't have to spend endless hours tweaking the text. It's all about customization and helping you focus on what matters most, getting your message out there. Another major highlight of PostOwl is its multi-platform integration. Unlike other tools that require you to use different software for different social platforms, PostOwl brings everything into one dashboard. Whether you're managing Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, you can schedule and post across all channels without switching tabs. This alone is a huge time saver, especially for marketers handling multiple accounts at once. The third thing that stands out is PostOwl's analytics features. It doesn't just automate posts, it tracks their performance. You'll get detailed reports on engagement, clicks, and even conversion rates. This insight is invaluable for making data-driven decisions and tweaking your campaigns for better results. If you're someone who thrives on numbers and metrics, this is a feature you'll appreciate. Now let's talk about how PostOwl compares to other AI tools. While many other platforms focus purely on generating content, PostOwl is built to be an all-in-one digital marketing tool. It allows you to plan, post, track, and optimize everything from one central hub, saving you the hassle of jumping between tools to get the job done. In comparison, most competitors only offer limited functionality or require additional plugins for full optimization. PostOwl's versatility makes it a strong contender in this space. But what about the learning curve? Many AI tools, even the best ones, can be intimidating at first. The good news with PostOwl is that its interface is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need a degree in tech to start using it, which means you can hit the ground running without needing an extensive onboarding process. What's also worth mentioning is the customer support. If you run into any issues or need assistance, PostOwl offers 24/7 support. This can be a lifesaver if you're working on tight deadlines and can't afford to waste time troubleshooting. Now you might be wondering, is it worth it? Well, PostOwl comes with a free trial, which is always a good way to dip your toes in before committing. You can test out its features firsthand and see if it fits your workflow. Plus, there's no risk involved since the trial is completely free. Just click the link in the description to get started. Before I wrap up, I want to leave you with one important point. If you're someone who values time efficiency, consistent quality, and data-driven insights in your marketing efforts, PostOwl could be exactly what you need. But remember, there are always alternatives in the AI world, and I've spent countless hours trying the best of the best. You'll find my recommended AI software, including PostOwl, in the description below. These tools have helped me grow my digital marketing strategies, and I believe they can do the same for you. If you want to test PostOwl or any of the other AI tools I've personally tried, the links are all down there, so don't miss out on that opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.